Hi everyone, I'm Bethany the Booktastic Mom, and today I have this month's subscription to my ZOO Box. Hi everyone, I'm so happy you're here and I cannot wait to share this month's subscription to my ZOO Box. Last month I opened our first box from my ZOO Box and it was bat themed. I'm not 100% sure what this month's theme is, but I'm so excited to see what's inside. My ZOO Box is a subscription company where every month they send you a box of goodies all around a theme of an animal. So if you have an animal lover in your home, they're going to love this box. They have different options on their website. They have a 3-month subscription, 6-month, a year. They also have one-time boxes. So there's all different options for your budget. And then there's also add-ons to where you can add on an extra sibling, because there's some things in here that your kids would fight over, such as a stuffed animal. So it gives you the option to add on for extra siblings. And I do have a link down below for a referral code for $10 off your first box. So let's see what's inside. I can't wait. My girls loved this box last month. All this month, my middle daughter kept asking, when is that my ZOO Box coming? Is it coming soon? And now it's here, so I'm so excited to open it for you. They are going to, when they wake up this morning, they're gonna see what's inside. Look at how cute. It's a narwhal. This is not what I thought it was. This is so cute. So what I saw must be for next month's box. But, oh, this is so cute. And since I added on the extra sibling, we have 2 here. They're going to love this. And then next is some kind of game or activity. And this is another option where they give you the added on sibling option. But we have this little activity where you build these little narwhals. I don't know if this is picking up on the screen here. And they look like these little kind of hashtag shapes. I guess where you construct your own narwhal. They are going to love this. I think I've seen stuff like this before, but we do not have anything like this. And next is a craft. So every month comes with a craft. So we got some model magic here, which is a modeling clay. The directions to make air dry clay narwhals. So this is so much fun. So I'm guessing you just kind of sculpt it around a toothpick and then you kind of make the little horn there. That is so much fun. So this is just a card that says what's inside here, and then it gives you a recipe. So every box comes with a recipe with the theme. So these are narwhal cake pops. So that looks like a lot of fun to make. And then we have a little kind of postcard here, and it tells you all about narwhals. And if you're new here, we are a homeschool family, so we like to turn everything into a learning experience. So they will be so excited to learn all about narwhals. And we have some stickers here, and we have 2 of them. They love stickers. And then we have the anatomy of a narwhal here, which my middle daughter loves anything anatomy. We were in Target yesterday and she found this frog anatomy kit where you can take all the insides of the frogs out, and she wanted it for Christmas. And last year we got the human body one, so she gonna enjoy looking at this, and she liked looking at last month's with the bat. And then we have a book here, and this is Narwhals Are Awesome. And every month comes with a book as well, so this is just all kinds of fun information about a narwhal. So we'll have fun reading this. And then, inside here are more of the, I said you can use a toothpick with the activity, but it actually gave you some of the sticks inside here. So that was the box this month. They were going to love their new narwhal stuffed animals, and they have fun doing their craft. I highly, highly, highly suggest this box. If any of my face groups I'm in, if someone says, I want a subscription box to a company for my kid for Christmas, I always suggest this box. I think it is awesome. I cannot wait for next month. I cannot wait to share this with my kids this morning. So what's your favorite animal? What animal would you love to see in a My ZOO Box subscription? I think I would like to see maybe a flamingo. I think that would be a lot of fun. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please give it a thumbs up and please hit that bell to be notified for future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.